Hi, hello, good morning everyone. I am V.S. Narayana, a senior mathematics teacher for high school children, that is for 8th and 9th, 10th classes. I worked in many schools, including corporate schools. It is very happy to announce the launch of Vanam Mathematics YouTube channel and online classes for high school children. The intention behind to start the channel is to share my experience. I think experience of a teacher is the experience of a student and a teacher together in the classroom. Why? Because both of them they work together on the single concept or a problem. I strongly believed and observed that if the students are encouraged to solve the problems of their own, sometimes they think creatively and solve the problems in different methods than the regular methods what we show in the class. So for a single problem they show many solutions. Why? Because they are more talented and creative. I have that kind of classroom experience of 30 years. So to share my past and present experiences with the today's children in big way, I started the Vanam Mathematics YouTube channel. Yes, one more thing, proudly I can say that my students are successful and they are working in the best positions of the society. And they requested to teach their children in different classes. This is also one motive for us to start the channel. Now about the subject mathematics. In my view, solving the problems and getting the marks technically is not enough to mastery in any subject, especially in mathematics. So understanding concepts, fundamentals and learning their application is most important for higher education and a national level examinations like IIT and JEE. If you observe nowadays in TS government and AP government, they are following CCE model. As per CCE model, both classroom teaching and testing model is completely revised. So in classroom, they are following CCE means they are not completely explaining. So student should involve in the subject. So they are explaining one or two topics and the teachers are asking to do of their own. For example, in mathematics, do this, try this and think and discuss. That kind of problems they have to do of their own. So that is left to students for their own learning. And in examination also, previously they used to test the memory. That means how far they learned. But in CCA model, they are testing what they learned and how far they can apply the learned things. So they are giving more importance to the application. So not the quantity, how far they can apply the learned things. That is the most important change you have to observe. Dear students and parents, if you observe the results of SSC examinations, most of the failures in mathematics only. Why it is happening? What is the reason behind for more failures in mathematics? So in my view, lack of practice. So this is just previously what I told, the application. So students are practicing textbook completely without leaving any problem. They are completely practicing, but they are unable to apply. So as I told you, they are not testing the quantity you learned. They are testing the application. So without practicing beyond the textbook, you can't apply the things and formulas what you learned. So application is the most important. You have to notice this. As every one of you know, high school is the best stage to lay a strong foundation in mathematics. If you are good at mathematics, you can do other subjects better. It improves the logic and application also. So this is the base subject of physics, biology, accounts. It enlightens other subjects. If you observe nowadays any academic courses, you never be able to escape mathematics. It is a compulsory subject. There is no course without mathematics. So you must as well accept it. Now, what we teach, how we teach in the classroom. In the classroom, we are following interactive and teaching aid method for better understanding and learning. So to have more interaction with the students, we started the online classes for 8th, 9th and 10th classes, so that students can discuss the subject matters with the teacher directly and clarify their doubts there and then itself. We made mathematics easy here. Students feel comfortable to learn the mathematics with us. We discuss maximum number of problems from the textbooks, including do this, try this and think and discuss. For more practice and confidence, we discuss the problems from various textbooks and state government examination question papers also. So previous year's question papers we gathered and we explained that also. And for extra learning beyond the textbook, we provided topic-wise worksheets. They are beyond the textbook, so that they can attend the examinations more confidently. And for academic examinations like formative assessments and summative assessments, we support by giving the question papers and extra practice for them. So they are also important for annual examinations. And one more important thing, competitive examinations. Those who are attending competitive examinations like Polytechnic, APRJC and IIT Foundation courses. So in all these courses, time is the main factor. If the time is given, they may be solved. But to solve within the given time, they should know the shortcut methods. We explain the shortcut methods also for better scoring in competitive examinations. My dear ones, before signing off, I can say that these online classes are substitute to your live classes. And for more information, you can contact us through WhatsApp at the rate 8688890873. And we have the different schedules. So like free classes. These classes are time-bound classes. These are permitted for a limited period only. And next one is regular full course classes. These classes will continue from starting to end of the examinations. Till the examination, this class will go on throughout the week. And next one is weekend classes. Those who are unable to attend the regular classes, they can attend the weekend classes. So like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In this weekend class also, we can complete the entire syllabus. And one more is chapter wise. If you have any doubt in particular chapter like trigonometry and statistics or progressions, so they can go through the chapter wise classes. I hope you understood my motto to start the channel and online classes. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos on the subject. We'll come back to you with another topic soon. Stay safe and be confident.